Todd with In-Gear Media. Today I'm going to show you how to program the tachometer of Classic Instruments 44 insert. Now a tachometer only needs to know two things. That's going to be what cylinder engines, 8-cylinder, 6-cylinder, 4-cylinder, and what kind of signal it's going to be reading off of. Is it going to be a 12-volt signal, 12-volt square wave signal like you get from an MSD box or a ready-to-run distributor? Or is it going to be a 5-volt signal from an EFI system kicked out of the ECU? That's all we're going to program in this. Now Classic Instruments, all their gauges, their programmable gauges, come with a little momentary switch that you just connect to ground. We've already got ours connected to the dash, so it's always there. And we're just going to go ahead and put the speedometer, the gauge cluster, into the programming mode by holding that button to ground and turning the ignition on. There's the programming mode. In calibration mode, the speedometer goes to 70, the tach goes to 1000, which is exactly where we wanted to set up our cylinder select. So you press your button again and hold it down for 6 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6. And there the tach goes down to 2-cylinder operation. So we've been messing with this. And you click it again, there's a 3-cylinder. Click it again, 4-cylinder, 5 cylinders, 6 cylinders, and finally shoots on up to an 8-cylinder. And to go ahead and save that, just hold the button down for another 6 seconds. When it's correct, all the turn signals turn on and everything goes like that. And we're out of calibration mode. With the number of cylinders already programmed, we went back into diagnostic mode so we could calibrate for the trigger signal that the tachometer is going to receive. Remember, it's either going to be a low voltage 5-volt signal from a ECU, or it's going to be more of a 12-volt signal coming from a CDI box or a ready-to-run distributor or something. So here we are in calibration mode. Now to get to the mode for the tach signal, we hit the button once, the tach goes up to 2 to indicate that we're ready to set our signal type. So we press and hold the button for 6 seconds and watch the speedometer. There, it goes up to 120 miles an hour. The 12 indicates 12-volt signal. Now if you're running the EFI, then you click the button again and it goes down to 50, indicating a 5-volt signal. We're still running our standard distributor with a 12-volt output, so we're going to take it back up to there. And to save it, hold the button for 6 seconds. Shows us that we're at an 8-cylinder, and then we hold it again to get out of diagnostic mode. And that's all there is to it. Our tach is now programmed, ready to go. Classic Instruments makes it easy.